February and early March 2020, my wife Ruth and I toured Tasmania and the Great Ocean Road in Victoria. We have recorded our trip in 33 clips. We hope that you find our experiences useful and enjoyable. We were in Hobart for 3 days. The first call was the mid-city area. I remembered the Cat and Fiddle arcade from about 40 years ago, so set out to find it. The near-city area and the dock area filled the morning until after lunch. The salt water in my veins directed us to Constitution Dock to see where Sydney-Hobart yachts arrived. Someone had told us about the old Mount Nelson pilot station, from where Hobart maritime activities were controlled in the early days of the colony. Great views and interesting history. The day was ended with fresh scones with coffee at the café at the museum.